Adjust the height to 90 centimeters. Adjust according to the height of the focal length paper. Turn the handle to adjust the lifting height. Open the software. Move the workpiece into the camera's field of view and adjust the exposure to make the workpiece look clearer. The blue border can be resized. Click Template Settings. Click Add Template. Click Marking Content to pop up a dialog box. The marking content has been saved before. Select the marking content and click OK. This position can modify the marking content, fill, power, and speed. Click Save after modification. Then click Add Template Settings, and you can see the workpiece in the picture. Click Contour Selection and hold down the left mouse button to select the workpiece, and you can see the workpiece in the red box. Click Create Template again, and you will see the workpiece surrounded by a green frame. If there are any stray lines in the green line, use the Eraser tool to erase them. After erasing, click Save Template. When prompted to save successfully, click OK and close the window. Set the base, and the content to be marked will automatically appear. In the dialog box, move the marking content to the position to be marked. You can fine-tune and change the value. After adjustment, click Set Baseline and click Save. The data you just saved will be displayed. Click Load Data to load it. Move the blue frame to completely cover the workpiece. The blue frame is the recognition part. It will only be recognized if it is inside the blue frame. If it is outside the blue frame, it will not be recognized. After the template is set up, the path is set up. The first step is to return to 0 and then place the workpiece. Click Marking Settings, add a path, and add a 0 point first. Move the first workpiece to the appropriate position in the blue box. The move key cannot be pressed for a long time, and the position can be changed by modifying the value. Count the workpieces. The horizontal X is 3 numbers, and vertical Y is 2 numbers. The value is the distance between the workpieces. You can use the ruler you wear to measure and modify the value. After modification, click Add Moving Path. After adding the moving path, move the 0-point path to the bottom. After moving, click Save to name the path.